Are you tracking progress or just hoping for results? Because if you don't know your key numbers, you're not going to have the critical information that you need to be able to grow what matters with confidence. And sadly, many business owners are making big decisions without clear data, and that results in them reacting to symptoms instead of solving the root problems. And the solution is KPIs, key performance indicators, because KPIs give you real-time feedback on how your business is performing so that you can lead with clarity instead of guesswork. And the truth is that without them, you're flying blind. And if you really do want more consistent results, then you need consistent metrics. So here's 3 ways to get started. First, you want to pick a small set of KPIs for each core area of your business. Things like sales, marketing, operations and finance should have at least 1 to 3 clear numbers that you track on a weekly basis, even a daily if needed. Secondly, you want to make them visible. Whether that's a dashboard, a whiteboard or a spreadsheet, get them out of your head and into your environment and into your daily rhythm. And then thirdly, review and act weekly. The magic isn't just in the tracking, it's in using what you see to make better decisions fast. Your metrics become your map. They tell you where to adjust and where to place your focus and where to celebrate. Okay, your momentum move for today. Choose one area of your business and identify a single KPI that you're going to start tracking today. If you want a free tool that outlines the top KPIs to track in every single area of your business, drop KPI in the comments and I'll send it over to you. And also, share one metric that you track that's made a big difference to you, because it might be the missing piece for someone else. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another Momentum Booster tip.